Dear students of class 10, we are studying life process and we are approximately at the end of the chapter. Today we will study human heart. A human heart is roughly divided into four chambers. Not roughly, but economically divided into four chambers. That is left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. The whole heart is divided into two parts by a thick wall called septum. The septum ensure the septum prohibit or check the mixing of deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Means the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix. It ensures septum. Now the other part is pulmonary vein, main vein, pulmonary artery, main artery. The function, how does it work? First, when the heart contracts, it sends the oxygenated blood when contract. Keep in mind, muscles or heart cannot expand. It can contract and relax. When it contracts, valve 3 opens and oxygenated blood pushes through the main artery into the body cells. It carries by main artery and then capillary reaches the cells. At the same time, when it contracts, the blood or deoxygenated blood from all other parts of the body cell enters into the right atrium through main vein. Again, when it relax, when the heart relax, the deoxygenated blood from right atrium to enter into left atrium, and from right atrium to right ventricle, and from left atrium to left ventricle. This happens continuously, and again when it contracts from left ventricle to body cell through main artery and to lungs from by pulmonary artery. Thus we see that artery carries oxygenated blood and vein carries deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs, and pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. Thus, that in one cycle of circulation, the blood reaches twice in human heart. This type of circulation is double circulation, and most of the mammals have four-chambered heart. Now we will study the structure of heart in fish, frog, and some other. Again, the human circulatory system consists of mainly heart, blood vessels, and blood. Heart you have already studied. Blood vessels you have studied two types, artery and vein. Vein are also type of veins are pulmonary veins and main vein. Artery are also two types, pulmonary artery and main artery. And these arteries and veins are divided and branched into very thin tube-like tube. They are called capillary. the artery capillaries and vein capillaries. These capillaries transport or help in exchange of materials. For example, pulmonary artery receives waste like carbon dioxide and other things from the cell, and main artery capillary gives oxygen and digested food to the cell. Capillaries and the blood itself, these are the one thing again. The we see that when heart pump, it push the blood with force. That is why the walls of artery are thick and strong. But during the second step, when the blood return, there is not such high pressure. Therefore, the walls of veins are thinner and not as strong as artery. Now we will study other thing in next video.